Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lucy, or you can call me Kabu. And today I am super excited to be unboxing this Smart Pot 2. It's a pressure cooker, an electric one, or what you call an instant pot. And as I mentioned in the previous video, things about making things easier in the house or making my home better have been making me so excited. And this is such an exciting purchase for me, and I want to unbox it with you. Well, I've already unboxed and read the manual, the user guide, so that's and I've watched videos on how to use this. So let's get right into it. If you can hear someone talking in the background, that's my baby. And I think we're going to do this unboxing with her because it's just the two of us. So, yes. Aya, kula tamu. So, it comes in this packaging and it's black in color. I had opened to remove the user guide, and it had this one written in this language, I don't know what language this is, and the other one in English. And then it came with electric cable to connect this to the power source. And then these are the things to like keep it safe. And this, there's nothing else in there. Oh. So gorgeous. Oh, this is the handle for the carton. This is the beauty herself. I took it in the color black. This is when it's closed. This is the part that shows that it's closed. And this is how to unlock it. This is the pressure release valve. This is the float valve. This is the one that goes up when the pressure is coming out and goes back down when it stops. This is the control, the one for sealing and venting. For this one, you press and you sorry, accident happened. Waja. So I'm sorry, accident happened. You know, babies, they are 1 minute they are okay, the other minute they are living life dangerously. But it has this, it's called a what? This sealing ring. Yeah, and then inside the pot came a soup spoon. This one is deep, and a rice paddle, and this is a measuring cup, and this one is for the collecting the liquid that gets or that pours from the pressure cooker. I'll show you where we put that. And then there is this mesh rack, or what you call a steam rack, for placing things when you're steaming, like washes, the arrow, sweet potatoes, and doma. And then this is the stainless steel cooking pot. And this is the 6-liter one. It's quite big, as you can see. And then we have the cooker base, and this is the control panel, which has these options. It has saute, pressure cook, slow cook, rice, oatmeal, bean, meat, soup, steam, yogurt, and this other one which I cannot pronounce. And then there's keep warm and delay, and that's it. And then these are the handles here We have the resting, let me show you, where you rest this in case you want to cook while it's open. I mean, when you're not pressure cooking. So yeah, that's that. I believe this will serve me for long and do as many dishes as I possibly can. And today I'm going to show you how I'm going to cook my meat stew. I have some meat over here, I don't know if you can see, but first I have to wash this, and then I'll come back. I'll wash this off camera and then I'll be back so that you can see the whole process. Okay? This curly meat is put here. So I connected the electric plug here. This is the part where you put it, and I've put it on that socket, and this is the collecting thingy. I've washed the measuring cups. And this cooking pot, and now I have my ingredients. I'll show you. I have onions, I have nyanya, I have garlic, I have white pepper and water, and the meat. This was boiling kidogo, and then I figured, why not cook it? Yeah, why not cook it kwa this instant pot? So yeah, this is what we're making. I've added the oil. It's already hot. Adding the onions. My onion is translucent, so I'm going to add my garlic. I think it's okay now. I'm going to add the tomatoes, the white pepper, onion powder, and salt. Here goes my meat. There are 4 chunks of beef. I don't know if you can see the lighting. Yeah, there are 4 chunks of beef. I want them to be well spread. Then I'm going to add water. This is the biggest. Ooh. So yeah, this is the meat I've added. Then I'll add water. Going to add 2 cups. I hope that's not so much. And then close. The saute has ended. So kathingi, this ka arrow, when closing has to align with this, and then when you close, it says it's off. So when I turn, it should show lid or something. But now, since I've closed, and of course it's not in venting, it's on seal mode. Yeah. So it's preheating right now. I selected pressure cook, and then I selected meat. It gave me 35. I reduced to 30 because I had boiled a little, and then the pressure cook is on medium, not high. So after 30 minutes, I'll let it release, have the natural release. That's where I don't quick release by pushing that valve. So I'll just let it release until it shows me it's done, and then I'll see how the meat is. If it's okay, I remove it. If it's not, I pressure cook again a little. Wish me luck. I'll show you the end result. So after a few minutes, it removed some pressure over there, and then it moved from preheat to cooking. So yeah, now we wait. Still going, 2 minutes to go, and then we'll see what will be displayed on the control panel, and then we'll wait. It beeped to show that it has finished cooking, so we wait and see if there'll be any pressure. So I'll just wait and see what happens. It's been 23 minutes of natural release, and the float valve is still on top, meaning there's still pressure in the cooker, so we still can't open it. So we give it more time. The pin is down now, so I'll open to see. This is how my nyama is looking. Let me try and do something with that. The meat is very soft. That's it from my electric pressure review. I hoped you enjoyed this video, and I hope that I can share more recipes or things I try to make in the instant pot. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like if you enjoyed, and comment, share with your friend who is probably looking to buy this for their home. You're welcome. Bye. Also, kindly subscribe if you haven't already. Please subscribe. It helps me grow my channel, and it's even motivating to see the growth. So yeah, bye bye. Nonsense that you put me through. I give it up to you.